Schnucks is rolling out more Instacart Caper Carts in its Missouri stores. Alimentation Couche-Tard has signed a non-disclosure agreement with 7&I Holdings, and Casey's is calling for applications to its 2025 Innovation Summit. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top stories from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm CSP Executive Editor Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Supermarket News Editor Tim Inkelbarger. Schnucks is rolling out more Instacart Caper Carts in its Missouri stores and will debut the technology at locations in Illinois. The carts also feature a lower tray, allowing shoppers to add heavier items such as cases of water or pet food. The St. Louis-based grocer is also adding products to store shelves from the company's first class of the Schnucks Springboard, local and diverse-owned business accelerator. Participating companies receive a 4-week trial on end caps at 15 Schnucks stores, which will also host sampling events.
Alimentation Couche-Tard has signed a non-disclosure agreement with 7&I Holdings, advancing takeover talks between the two convenience store retailers that have been ongoing since August. The NDA was signed to progress transaction discussions, facilitate due diligence, and collaborate on plans to engage with regulators amid Circle K owner Couche-Tard's attempt to acquire 7-Eleven owner 7&I for $47.2 billion.
Instacart has purchased grocery tech company Winshop. The San Francisco-based last-mile delivery company announced Thursday. The Fort Lauderdale-based company provides e-commerce tools and technologies for grocers like Wakefern and Pattison Food Group, among more than a dozen others. The acquisition builds on Instacart's Storefront Pro technology, which enables retailers to build their own digital storefronts with custom landing pages.
Do you have a food or beverage you want to get onto convenience store shelves? Casey's is calling for applications to its 2025 Innovation Summit, a competitive event that began last year focusing on finding brands with new, unique products to distribute across the retailer's 2,900-plus stores. Food and beverage brands are encouraged to apply for the opportunity to become part of the company's merchandising mix with the potential to be distributed in stores. Last year, Casey's selected more than a dozen new suppliers.
CVS Health reported strong first-quarter gains in revenues and operating income across all of its business segments on Thursday. The company is keeping a close eye on the potential impact of government actions around both tariffs and vaccines going forward. However, the company's pharmacy and consumer wellness segment, which includes its retail drugstore operations, saw its revenues climb 11.1% in the first quarter, driven by a 14.4% increase in revenues from its retail pharmacy operations. The company also announced a first-of-its-kind partnership with drug maker Novo Nordisk to make the popular weight loss drug Wegovy available nationwide at a discounted price.
Online compliance and workforce training provider 360training.com said on Thursday that it has acquired Ready Training Online, a full-service training provider serving the restaurant and convenience store sectors. The online company said the acquisition's mission is to deliver industry-specific training that helps businesses stay compliant and develop high-performing teams.
Former employee of Kansas City, Kansas-based Associated Wholesale Grocers has filed a class action lawsuit against the cooperatively owned distributor, alleging that the company should have taken more precautions to protect employees' personal data. AWG suffered a data breach in 2023 in which hackers stole names, social security numbers, and other personal employee information, according to the lawsuit. In addition, the lawsuit alleges the company did not inform employees about the full extent of the breach for several months.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and Supermarket News. I'm Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Tim Inkelbarger. Have a great day.